Hello shrimps. We're going to do a little math activity now, which involves counting. So let's have a little practice of rolling out our fingers first. Are you ready to help me? Get your fingers to 0. That means none. No fingers showing. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've got 10 wiggly fingers. Can you give me a wave with your 10 wiggly fingers? Well done. Right, if you look closely behind me, this is my snow area, and we've read the Snowball story, and it's one of my favourites, that one. And I've got something hiding next to me here. What is this? It looks like a snowball. It's not really though, because I couldn't find any snow, just rain out there today. But this is a round shape like a snowball. And I bought these thinking this would make a really good game. We can use these snowballs to make a game. So all we have to do is, this is the bucket. Now, I'm putting the bucket close to me at the moment, but you can go and do this anywhere. Now, all you have to do is try and throw and aim your snowball into the bucket. And then we'll count how many we got in the bucket and how many we didn't. Okay, so let me just see, how many snowballs have I got to begin with anyway? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 snowballs to throw in my bucket. Let's see how clever Mrs. Nolan is today at throwing in her bucket. Are you ready? Otherwise it might land on the snow next to the bucket. Yes, that's 1. 1 went in the bucket. 2 went in the bucket. Oh no, just 2 so far. That one rolled away. Put that one there. I can see it now. And 1 more. 3 have gone in the bucket. And 1 more. How many does that make? Let's count. They can come out the bucket now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 snowballs. Yay! Now, if you're feeling really clever, you could actually have a go with your grown-up. So you have a turn with your 5 snowballs, and then your grown-up has a turn with their 5 snowballs, and then you can score. So it's like a proper game. Snowball throwing game, I called it. So you can do it like this, and then all you have to do is draw a bucket for you, and then if it's, say, Mum, you could write Mum underneath, or draw a picture of her. And then she has a go. But what you have to do when you've had your go, you've got to draw on your bucket how many landed in there. Now, because they're snowballs, I'm going to draw circles to show how many. And I had 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 snowballs land in my bucket. 1 circle, 2, 3, 4. Mrs. Nolan, I'm so clever today. I drew 4 snowballs. Oh, now what does the number 4 look like? I remember. Now, if you don't remember, you can ask your grown-ups, if you've got those matching cards that I gave you in the pack, to put them in a line again, like I did on one of the other activities, and count along until you get to the number 4. But I remember what number 4 looks like. It goes down, across, and down. There's my number. Right, so your grown-up can have a go, and then you can draw in how many they had landed. You could do it with up to 10 snowballs or up to 5, it's up to you. But my 1 is landed out there. Oh, I could draw the 1 out there, couldn't I? Just 1 that didn't make it. And there's number 1 next to it. But you can record numbers. You can draw circles or make marks to show how many. That's what we can do to show how many. Make marks or record. Did you say you've got no snowballs? What could you use if you had no snowballs? I know. If you've got no snowballs, the Play-Doh you made the other day. Oh, look. I've got my Play-Doh. Now a snowball is a 3D shape. It's round. If you look at it just like that though, it looks like just a circle. But actually it's not flat, it's solid, which means it's a 3D shape called a sphere. Right, see if I can roll a ball with my Play-Doh and it can become my snowball. And I would like 5, so I've got to make 5 snowball family. There's 1. See if it'll land in my bucket. Yes, it did. I'm so clever today. So I need to go and make some more Play-Doh snowballs because that doesn't look like a snowball, does it? No, we need it round. Roll it round. If you haven't got any Play-Doh, what could you use? For a snowball. I know. You could get a piece of paper, newspaper, old magazine paper, tear one up, scrunchel it up. Just made a new word up there. Looks a bit like a snowball now. Okay, let's have a look if I can get my snowball into here. My snowball landed in the bucket. So a paper snowball, you can use whatever you want to. Have a little think. Enjoy your snowball throwing game and your counting. Well done, shrimps.